How to buy Pingu token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert before investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your own research. And also there is the referral code down description. You can get free money euros on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before we go on about this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 15 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 14 in this one section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open the funds from my portal, as you can see. After that, click here on swap. Now make sure that you have enough swap on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address with Sushra. Now, as you can see, if you don't see yours up here, what you need to do, we need to buy it via Radium. So open the Radium like that, as you can see. So wait a few seconds to load this page. So after you open the Radium, what you need to do, just click on Connect Wallets. Now select your wallet from here, and I suggest to click or save the Phantom wallet. Now share connection wallet, what you need to do, if you don't find your token here, now go back to this token page on the screen here and click here to copy the token address. Now go back to Radium and now click here and paste token address in search bar. Now as you can see, click here on our token and click on it again to be able to see it here. Now from the top, click here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive the token, as you can see here. Now click on more info. Now make sure to read all that information here, and if you are ready to go, click here on swap, and a pop-up will be appeared here from your funds wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Pingu token. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.